Is this camera on me? Yo, what's good people, it's that GTLD and I'm back on the screen with another video, man. I say another, I haven't dropped a video in like a year, man. So can I really say another? I don't know, but I said it, man. That's the tagline, that's how we jump in these videos, you know what I'm saying? But yo, listen, I haven't dropped a video in a long time. I've been seeing the comments. You guys have been asking me to come back and do some more videos. So here I am. Excuse the setup. The setup's not really patterned right now. I just wanted to get this video out for you guys just to let you know what I'm doing, just to let you know I'm here, I'm alive. I see your comments and I will be back. I also want to say a big thank you to everybody who subscribed in the past year. It's been mad to see we're over 800 subscribers now. And that's crazy because, like I said, I ain't posted in a year. The last time I posted, I was at like 300.
Jesus Christ.
That's kind of crazy. So love for everyone who's been watching the videos, subscribing. Welcome to the wave walk, man.
Yeah, look, it's that G-Town-D. Look, she can have anything she
I'm
wants.
just gonna tell you guys what's been going on, give you an update on the channel, what to expect going forward. I don't know if you noticed, but yes, we are in the bathroom. The bathroom is kind of different. It's a different bathroom. So the first thing I gotta tell you guys is I finally bought my house, man. So right now I'm in one of my bathrooms. So yeah, man, if you guys want a little tour, let me know, I'll do that. But yeah, obviously that took up a lot of my time in terms of actually getting it, in terms of sorting out everything that I needed to sort out to get it. And then in terms of putting all the stuff in it, it's been a lot. But we're here now, pretty much settled. Once I've finished a couple stuff, moved some stuff around, I'll have my proper video set up, so we'll be back. But for now, we're in the bathroom, man, you know what I'm saying? Number 2, music. We're back on the music front now, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys want vlogs, let me know. I recorded one the other day, so I'm gonna edit that up. Straight to your face, give you that. But yeah, I'm gonna give you some behind the scenes stuff, bring you with me to the studio, video shoots, photo shoots, all that kind of stuff, man. So if you guys want that kind of content, let me know in the comments down below. Of course, it goes without saying, please go subscribe to my music channel, man. TAYO space D. Go subscribe to me on there. This is gonna be for all of the wave stuff and all the behind the scenes vlogs. Just a bit more about me. You know what I'm saying? That's what this channel is gonna be about, whereas that's gonna be my official music channel. So please go subscribe to me over there. And follow me on Spotify, Apple Music, all that good stuff, man. All the links will be down below, so go do that, please. Yeah, man, nothing too crazy in this video. I just wanted to keep you guys posted. Of course, I will still be coming with the wave content. You already know I can't lack when it comes to the wave content. And of course, it's only right talking about waves that show you mine, you know what I'm saying? So I'm wolfing right now, so my hair's kind of long, but I'm about to go get a haircut. I just had a wash day, so my line is gonna be crazy. But like I said, my barber about to resurrect me, baby boy. But yeah, man, let's get into the wave check, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, I'm wolfing my hair right now. I ain't had a haircut in 5 weeks. Yeah, I'm just gonna get my barber to just redo my fade on the sides, sort out my beard and then do my lineup. But I'm not gonna get into trim that because I'm gonna keep wolfing this until next month. So I'm gonna get a proper haircut. If you wanna know what to do before a haircut, I've done a video on that. And if you want me to show you how I'm washing my hair these days, I do it a bit differently. So if you want me to show you, let me know in the comments. But anyway, y'all, that's it for this video. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm about to go get this cut. And I'm out, man. I'm about to cut, you know what I'm saying? So it's been a long time since I've done this intro. I'll be back. So I'm gonna do it, man. Wave to the war.